색깔은 모이기 멋진 생들 수신누는 레이호 레동시오 와kat pasungam la roy da chimba say cause we give fortune be the leader kuna Ma'am kubak chumani sum kuba yaga dramda say 1 2 1 2 1 2 thank you 먹복들을러 하우갔다나봐 igna품 진비람래 아이기타즈밤 먹복들을러 하우갔다나봐 igna품 진비람래 아이기타즈밤 Đang ta na chakina ba may nung lang sinbiram le nung siba Đang ta na chakina ba may nung lang sinbiram le nung siba May nung lang sinbire nung siba One, two Sekairat hamoigi majet singdam Susindu na leho renung shiva right wakat shungam la droid the chim balsi good big fortune be the leader kutna yeah thank you ho 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 Nang buti ba fangdanabam Malem atia anise Leitag leika olam lo Nang bunong siba fagdanaba Nang buti ba fagdanaba Malem atia anise Leitag leika olam lo Nang bunong siba fagdanaba Biram lui ay fatau dyan Tau dunong olo hay dunang Biram lui ay fatau dyan Tau dunong olo hay dunang Sekairat hamoigi majet singdam Susindu na leho renung sivam Wakat pasungam la roy da chimbalse Kaplig fortune biram lina kuna Thank you Nishnaye 이까지고 유도고 꿀러서 보자. 또 아니 유기 세석보 이까지래고 아두나 유기 넣다 보대 사게명. mai chi mata hairo mai won mi kien chi lei si hairo uk lung wizak mai chi mata hairo mai won mi kien chi lei si hairo uk lung wizak mai chi mata hairo mai won mi kien chi lei si hairo hamoy ki masek to fat ja krida mai thong bin no to nung si krida wakal mana bersay buk chil ti na bersay ning tru rai ka cha uk lung ka ngarung ring a far 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 Mana bersing cak tamin na bani nung munung si narbadi ko kay na uhik de yada bani mashit di sao ha ha masafa jarunu leishi leishat chidi ka lu chi lala masaka pai masafa jona lumru ring fa da lum nung shara tui ku shikaya kaya ka funning da sakai ka vairana masafa jona lumru ring fa da lum nung shara tui ku shikaya kaya ka funning da sakai ka vairana leishi de leila ka Ning chan de leila ka Hey leishi de leila ka Ning chan de leila ka Hey Keep on a come hey lu Me rin pay do one rock night Keep on a come hey lu Me rin pay do one rock night Thắp môi phúc ninh bên đâu bù Nung si wa hay ta da ghê Nung si ma yol chong đâu bù Lai ji sing kick biro Thắp môi phúc ninh bên đâu bù Nung si wa hay ta da ghê Thắp môi phúc ninh bên đâu bù Nung si kick biro Uk lung wizak mai chi mata hairu Mai won me mikien si lei si hairu Hamoy gi masek do fat je krida Mai thong gi minok do nung si krida Mus moy gi misok do fat je krida Mai thong gi minok do nung si krida Uk lung wizak mai chi mata hairu Mai won me mikien si lei si hairu Wakal mana bersay buk chil ti never say Wakal mana bersay buk chil ti never say Nung ai kre nung ai kre nung ai kre da nung ai kre da Nung ai kre nung ai kre nung ai kre da nung ai kre da Thank you.
Hello, check, check. Rai mamandale lakha. Arui hita tam kuinga ye mata elagina Tangkhul Football Player Association. Tangkhul Football Player Association Executive Member gatong Ninkashi Kamian and Soda. Matailagina President we azingly or Talaga, Achu Kanitot Kachungali, football, Garel taking a circ, Chimang Maningla, Achu Tum Gatongali, Hida the witness Hakang Cirki, Tangkhul Football Player Association we Manga Inane, Natum Gatongali Ningshi, Yari Gatongali, Tapai Makavai, Tangkhul Football Player Association, Katada, runs Hakala Jita Hangaye. President he resang mi vachum na sadale, Vice President phanga ledale, Rollingson, Zenit, Ngaraibam, Tangso mi kala resang bemi, ashi phanga na Vice President Koop salaga o sada klini, Secretary he Walngachan e shatsang na sadale, kala Finance Secretary he Yami Paishang. Ashi jishan na Tangkhul Football Player Association we Kamataya, key role Quilaga or Banglaga in a Sadak Lane. Achu Tangkhul Richum now Hiakali football, Kangchute, Rio Kavai, Gala, Itum Gatongali witness Sakavai, Adam, Sampang Sakda Kale Wivang, Natum Gatongali, Ningshe Gala Natum deserve Saye. Yari Gatong and Natum Wivang Bang Kape Committer Gar Saye. Yari Gatong and Tangkhul Football Player Association Wivang Bang Banglang Kapemise. Thank you. Kakaneli itum na bang banglag na kape mi gichi mi ledale kalahina kanawane ari ground hili ngreoda klei jersey sing laga warm up sami gaya players Tangkhul we kanitot karatot kachunga itum na Kerala Blaster li kongreo hormibam we matayang Germany ungiyam we rangwe Bangalore li matayang Germany talala Achu itum na TV li yang shon da klay player kanimang maning la state league ling reo za da klay I league ling reo da klay Tangkhul now kachungka lay da lay natum gadong li Tangkhul li football kang reo li mai kangka kami wivang yari gadong na pang kape kami tergar saye players gadong wivang pang palaing kape mi say Hita da atang la tiomeka hangere ka ben ka san masamilo achi hi ka da event hiri ka organize sa hokla ji hi yari ka tongali hita da pop tang room ngai ka chung ka jana there aka khani pop mata sa ka itum pop mata we se achi manipuli paula ga nang reo da klei mata la ga na ISL li Indian Super League ling reo da klei Meitei now bing Tangkhul we ISL I league kala state league ling reo ta kala gatongali hita da platform kami ainang soda itum na apam gatali khang reo ma wa yang rer salala achu itum ya apam hili reo chithei gwai Tangkhul Football Player Association na hita da organize ka sawi khamata ya ningrin khani lei chia itum khayang samphangra kala khang reo samphangra platform kami kala witness ka sa kala ga khani ali Tangkhul Football Player Association na kanai thot ka sema inang soda kanai thot manga wala inang reo zata khlai athum bingli award mi khwai me li langjin sahai da khlai ne award mi khwai itum na acknowledgement kami sada athum li encouragement kami sada award mi khwai ngran bing gai li itum fund tyaw mai ka wa thauda achu fundraising event akala sada fund raising event hili natum nala lupa tharamang lala lupa makamang lala ก็เลยลูบาชาขมังเลยละฮิลีชารุขีมิโลนวิลูบาธารานวิลูบามกุชารุขีขมิฮีตังคุลคณิทอดกษมลีก็เลยกษมมังมันนิงละตังคุลมังอาวาลาไกนั่นเลยเด็กเลยฟุตบอลขังเรียวลีตังคุลวีอามิงขังกามีเด็กเลยอาทุมบิงลีไอทุมเนี่ย encourage ซากมีซาเดสเปนซากิกจิเน่เลยมามังลีอาเรมลีไอทุมสเปนซากิกจิมันนี่มันเนี่ย award night ลีไอทุมน่ะสเปนซากไว้ไพศาลันเที่ยวไม่เข้าว่าเท่าเดิมนั่นทุมน่ะเที่ยวไม่เข้าชารุคุยมิโลกจีฮีนั่นทุมลีลันลุยเดอ request กษาอินะโซดา humble appeal กษานี่อารมณ์ match how บอกไกวิธีลีหุ่นเคยเลยละก็ไอทุมน่ะ garden box อินะ volunteers พิงน่ะใช้ราร์จิลีเขาอินะลูบาธารามกจีเที่ยวไม่เข้าชารุคุยมิโลกจีฮีขนาวซาดาขณะว่าซาเดตังคุริจมนาวรายังเด็กเลยก็ชีวลี request ก็สานี่อาทั้งละ ISL Pari ISL player บิงอีตุมนาสกอตยังรู้ไหมเร่ลุยเดตังคุ best team วี first 11นี่ฮิตาเดลุยเดจิตให้มีลุชิตเก first 11 goalkeeper ลีตารากัจโยอันนั้น goalkeeper สามีระ defender ลีชุนจันทันรกุยฮอมีพัมรุยวาองค์ยมมุยรังกะละองค์รำจันอาชีพมาตินา defender เนี่ย midfielder ลีตังวาเยอร์มีเปกะละเรซังมีขอดัง forward ลีอาชีพกระทุมเลยแต่เลยชอมีรอนคุยจูเลียนเกชิงรุงซิงมุยนาวฮินาตังคู11 first 11เนี่ยไม่ได้บารี ISL เลยฮิตาดัดลัดดุยเดจิตเฮมิเกRomario goalkeeper, defender Lee Regan, Santip Ranjan Pritam, midfielder Lee Amarjit Said Yasin, forward Lee Yasin Vidyasagar Imran Khan Ningtoy. Hina Meitei Pari first 11 ne. Tangkhul first 11 we match official. Coach Lee Rollinson Hongyo, Manager Lee Tangsomi Riva. Hello, check. Hello, check. check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check, check, check. Hello, check. Players being the lineup with match inspection with. Yes. I request all the players to line up for a match inspection. I repeat, all the players are requested to line up for inspection. Issue match inspection ni Tangkhul Football Player Association with President Executive na than laga dignitaries being the ka zang milo ning shilagra. Hello. Huitili Ponda photo session salakause.
Hello. Hello. I, on behalf of the Tangkhul Football Players Association, would like to welcome friends coming all the way from Imphal to witness this grand exhibition match between the Manipur Pari ISL team versus Tangkhul 11. Yari Tangkhul Football Players Association Rungmida Clay exhibition match li Katom Ngai Rewena Ragatom the Clay Natum Sai Corally Ishi Tangkhul Football Players Association we Matunena Natumli Ningshi Kachunka Pongchok Tele. AMFA referees Development Program, Referees Recruitment Cum Refresher Course 2022, organized by UTSA, Venue Ukrul. Hiwina collaborates Salaga, Achiwi, Ishui Exhibition Matching, Reu Rumda Klene, Course Instructor Hili, Rabi Chandra Singh, Referee Instructor, All India Football Federation, Head of Referee Manipur, Kala, M. Mako Singh, ex-FIFA Assistant Referee, Referee Instructor, All Manipur Football Association, Kanihina, Ishiwe, Tangkhuli Leidak Lei, Referees Pinghili, Recruitment Course Kumidak Lei, Kala, Atumwe Manga Ena, Achiwe, Exhibition Matchi, Mathala Kaina, organized Sabai Daklene, Jaina, Ishiwe, Utsa with referees Bingli, Kala Amfa with referees Bingli, Ningishi Chunka from Choktale. Jainang Soda, Atangla Chishat Sanghaire, Achiwi, Tangkhul Football Players Association exhibition match Rumidak Lehi, Achiwi, next month, May 31st, Tangkhul Football Players Association Award Night Wivang, fundraising event Akasada, he organized Kasak Sane, Jaina, fundraising event Akasaugida, Yari Bingli, Saklakaina Kachishat Kasane, Ari, Natum Li, boxing laga. Ngala kamathak chunga rarat leye natum na mingai rewena ishiwe shokra dakley players pingili ka tom sada lao lakaina kasang milak lo gajina tumli Tangkhul Football Players Association wiwa kaina kachham sadle kala chenang soda Achon thangai na Tangkhul Football Players Association na donors coupon krior kala na thumli jam kharajli na thum na mingai rerawai na donors card kui mighai issuei gallery hili pamdak lei na thum sai korali Tangkhul Football Players Association winning shi kuchung ka pong shok tale. Exhibition match sau gida yari bingli la paneung kang sak nei team khaninili ari players infalai na kang reu dakle kala Tangkhul we players khanini shili itum mathala kaina team khanili ngarai cha da katomi se gaji hi ichi football li le shila kaina rayang dakle na tum bingli kaji shot kasane. Tangkhul we mahola kaina football ngareu zadakle itum na yangai la kaina rayang dakle ji are kahung chersili number 4 sang dakle hina hormipam riva ahi Kerala plaster le ngareu dakle ne kala number 15 sang dakle ungayam hina ungayam muirang ne ana Bangalore FC ling ngareu dakle ani wewang ya rezai korana ringa pasa da pangpang la kaina akshi ka phemise ani mang maning mane ari hili hung Chelsea sang dak le hili Tangkhul now football nga tei tei da club ka chung ling reu za dak le ne ka ISL ling reu dak le hi shi Tangkhul wi na mi ka thum reu da le ari chanso horam hi ka chai khu wi ne a hi achui match le mung zang ra thura ka ishui a word night le ung zang lak ra ji hi na thum li shot khami ne. Meitei Pari ISL squad we list. Kshinaga Chitemige, Jackie Chan saying he is Bengali Kangreone, Color Reagan in a Chennai FC, Sayatsin in a Hyderabad FC, Chinglen Sana in a Hyderabad FC, Udanda in a Bangalore FC, Ranjan in a Jinayan FC, Yasir in a Hyderabad FC, Armerjit in the FC Goa, Nintoy in a Chennaiyan FC, Senap in a Kerala Placer, Ango Sana in a East Bengal, Boris in a Jamshedpur FC, Tiraj in a FC Goa, Jackson, Kerala Placer, Imran, Northeast United FC, Club Freedom in Hyderabad, Kerala Placer in Reosaye, Shillong Lajong, Vidya Sagar in a Trau Club. Cho pesa kang shai ji no mangali rala kar ko ning dong lak ke na kasang milak lo ji he Tangkhul Players Football Association we shongai na na thumli sakla ke na pil kasane law lak ke na sang mi ser le ji tu mishit kasang nei rashung mama nai re iwi vak bala rashung mama nai re advance payment mi sir khai nei pingwi hi chena mike sing bing live advance payment an mi ta mara mane arwi hi wak pa iwi yang ka le wi wak pa hi mi khong hi ri sing dak le ping hi le ma chi holak lo ji hi sakla kai na wa sang dak le nei athang khang reuli number shini thang mi danger sala ke Ari Meitei Pari ISL team with number 17 in Toini, 11 Gina Sidiasan, number 3 Gina Santipne, Ranjan and Santipli Matalage pass right flying back pa Miri.
Hello. Oh, itu mah. Ah, lah ya.
The exhibition match between Tangkhul players and Meitei Pari ISL. We've had an exciting both teams with a goal apiece in the first half. Meitei Pari took the lead, courtesy of spot kick from Seatin Singh. And the Tangkhul players have just restored parity through Resang Mikotang, who has been withdrawn, and in his place Sowami Shimpri has come on. Sowami straight into the thick of action. Plays it back to Ongya Moirang, the tall, commanding centre back from Bengaluru FC. Sowami getting time on the ball, but his pass on the right flank for Shun is a little short. Homipam comes to his rescue. Homipam wins a free kick off Pritam Soraisam from Hyderabad FC. Sowami again has seen the corner ball quite a bit right after coming on. Shun to Ring Sung Mui now. Ring Sing plays it out wide for Yamipei. Yamipei is pulled back by the opposing captain Seatin Singh, and the referee gives a free kick in the favour of the Tangkhul skipper. Shunjun Tan to Tangwa. Tangwa plays it back to Omipom. Omipom finds Ring Sing Mui now. Ring Sing plays it to Tangwa. Ring Sing striding forward with the ball. Out wide for Shun. Well defended by Yasir. Shun tried to steal the ball back off the midfielder, but in the end it goes out for a goal kick for Meitei Pari. Salman Ranjan Singh. Well defended by Shun. Tangwa Tangkhul for Hormipum. Rung Singh pushed down there by Yasir. There's a friendly handshake. It's a friendly game. It's been exciting, the match so far. Meitei. Disappointing free kick from the Tangkhul's keeper, but he will get a second chance. It's a better one this time. There was Ongyam at the far post, but it's well defended by Regan Singh. Setsen charged down by 3 Tangkhul players, but he plays it calmly back to Sandeep, who finds Meitei. Meitei is dispossessed by Tangkhul. Shomi can't get past the combination of Meitei and Regan. Meitei Pari will have a throw in on the far side. Julian was hoping that Shomi would make the run, but in the end plays it straight out wide for a throw-in. Now Bidyasaka, cleared by Ongramchan.
Oh no.
Pritam Soraisam, ISL trophy winner with Hyderabad this season. Yasir, another one of the Hyderabad FC players who were crowned the champions of the ISL. The ISL of course has 2 champions. There is the League Shield winners who were Jamshedpur FC, and the ISL trophy winners Hyderabad. And from Hyderabad we have a few representatives here. We have Pritam Soraisam on the left back slot for Meitei Pari, and Yasir on the left wing slots. Yasir also a regular in the Indian national team now. He's come up quite a few times against his international teammate Hormipum from Kerala Blasters. Hormipum of course got his Indian debut against Belarus in that friendly last month. Savami to Tangkhul, cleared out by Amarjit. Now with Setsen. Setsen finds Amarjit, plays it back to Ranjan. Ranjan under pressure, plays it out wide for Pritam. Pritam has to contend with 2 Tangkhul players. Pritam takes the ball all the way back to the corner flag and in the end wins a goal kick for his team. That's good. Effective play from the left back. He was known as Mr. Consistent back in his days at Shillong Lajong, a favourite under Thangboy Singto. Wore the jersey number 23 for Shillong Lajong and was one of the players of the 15-16 season where Lajong enjoyed their best season in the I-League. Tangkhul, the young diminutive midfielder from Ukhrul, plays for Round Class Punjab. He was in the preliminary squad for Round Class for the I-League last season, but because of a niggling injury he had to withdraw himself from the squad, and he has been rehabilitating and looks like he is trying to get back to full match fitness again. He has been a wide customer for Manipur Pari so far. Meitei out wide for Meitei. Meitei finds the run of Shunjantan. Shunjantan coming up against Pritam. Pritam is not happy with his teammates for not covering up for him, but nothing doing there. It's a bit of a duck from Imran on Savami, and the Tangkhul players will have a free kick. Hormipum to deliver the ball into the box. Ongyam Wirang has made a run forward. It's one of the tallest players in that box. Straight up against Samaranjan. It's a good ball, deep, very deep, and Romario got a bit of a touch, the Meitei Pari keeper, and it's another set-piece situation for the Tangkhul players. A corner which will be taken by Shomi Rongwe on the left flank. Shomi. Ongya missed the header far post. Ongya should have done better with the header. He was free but didn't get the jump that he was looking for. In the end, he was wrong-footed, so to say, for his header. The position of his foot making it impossible for him to direct a header where he wanted. Muinao to Julian. Julian Keshing looks for the return ball for Muinao, but Yemi Pei will intercept it. Yemi Pei tried to whip that ball in at a half volley, but this in the end has scruffed shots from the skipper. If you are just tuning in right now, we are more than halfway into the first half of this game between Tangkhul players and Meitei Pari ISL players. Both teams on a college. Sayatsin Singh, the skipper for Meitei Pari ISL, opening the scoring for the Meitei team, and Resangmi Kotang equalizing for Tangkhul players from a set-piece situation. Shunjin Tan to Yemi Pei. Yemi Pei, not quite a return ball that he was hoping for. Pritam to Imran. Imran plays it back to Salman Ranjan. Yasir with a nice little back flick for Vidyasagar, but it is intercepted by Ongya Muirang. The Tangkhul players will look to come again through Shomi. Shomi finds Yemi Pei. Pritam now. Pritam and Julian. Back to Yasir. Yasir comes away with the ball, but Shomi Shunjintan will clear it up. Salman Ranjan is a scruffed clearance, charged down by Julian. Sandeep with a mistake, but has not been punished for it. Now will he be punished? Yemi Pei. Julian tried to leave it for Yemi Pei, hoping that the skipper would make the run, but a little bit of miscommunication between the two forwards of the Tangkhul team, and it rolls innocuously back to the Meitei Pari ISL goalkeeper. A special acknowledgement for Muthingmi Shimsing and Austin Chimre, who made this live telecast of this exhibition match possible through their crowdfunding initiative. So this live coverage of this exhibition match between Meitei Pari ISL players and the Tangkhul players is brought to you by the crowdfunding initiative of the Tangkhul football fans, spearheaded by Muthingmi Shimsing and Austin Shimmer. So a big thanks to the two of them. Back to the match action, and Rung Singwei now wins a free kick about 30 yards out. Ungiyam Moirang. Ungiyam. Headed clear by Salman Ranjan. Nintoy. Nintoy finds Imran. Imran has been body checked by Homipam. The Tangkhul players defend the free kick very well. Achan coming over with the ball. Back on the ball again, Achan. Shomi for Tangwa. Tangwa out for Achan. Tangwa tried to back flick to find Sowami. Given away in midfield. Now back with Rung Sing Wei now. And the referee blows the half-time whistle. It's been exciting first half. One goal apiece from both teams. Meitei Pari ISL players finding the first goal courtesy of that spot kick from Sayatin Singh. After, I think it was Vidyasagar, was fouled inside the box by Homipam. But the Tangkhul players rallied back and just after 10 minutes found the equalizer through Wisungmi Kotang.
Mabu crowd na isema present tawdingai request tawjeri tamo na shirom lakuyo tamo na shirom laga isema krasak piro.
Nandi kay dauri Lokel gundagum Nagsidaraga suntok lado Jirang manundo Plastic bottle manundo Thank you everyone, thank you.
Hello, sit.
독살이라고 해. 한번 줘. 인디 좀 보면 되죠. 그래서 영화로 요즘에 방송. 이제 영화로 무슨 거 보낸 데 이제? 이거 그 방송에? 아우. 언제? 뭘 이거? 짜지지 않아요. Paisa Sangabang He 29,710. Mingai Reo, Katongai Lakeda, Tangkhul Players Association League Atomic High, Natumsai Corley, Ishi Tangkhul Players Football Association winner, Natumli Ningishi Junga Pongchok Tele, Haji Pundle, Nishalai.
A very warm welcome back to the second half of this exhibition match between Tangkhul players and Meitei Pari ISL. Tangkhul players have fielded another team for the second half. We have Lechipum at goal, Mayan Singh, Peniel, Jiansa and Ninglom Chang make up the back four. Raipum, Yangmuso and Samson are the midfield three, while Sormi, Totngiyung and Blessing are the front three for Tangkhul players in this second half. Meitei Pari ISL of course have also made a few changes, and what few changes to make when you can call upon the likes of Chickson and Toiba. Chickson of course the first goal scorer for India in a FIFA tournament. He scored that thumping header against Colombia in the 82nd minute in that Under-17 World Cup in 2018. And Toiba Moirangthem, playing on the right flank, is the youngest goal scorer in the AFC Cup till now. AFC, Asian Football Confederation Cup. He scored while playing for Minerva back in 2019. Raipum now. Raipum looking for Samson on the right flank. Samson, a combination of the waterlock pitch, keeps the ball in. Blessing now. Cleared by Pritam. Another change which went under the radar for the Meitei Pari 11 is Chek Jian Singh, who is leading the team now. He has come in for Imran. So changes of personnel from both teams, but we hope the tempo of the match will not be spoiled. It's Chickson with the first touch of the ball. Toiba played it out to Raipum, Peniel to Tokniyong. Yangmuso. Interesting, Toiba, midfielder, is playing right back for Meitei Pari at the moment. Chickson. Blessing. Yangmuso plays it to Apam. Apam plays it back again to Yangmuso. Tokniyong finds Blessing. Blessing has Toiba charging down on him. It's good, intelligent play by the youngster. Now with the skipper, Apam Yangmuso. Lots a bit of skill there from the midfielder. Tokniyong. Tokniyong trying to find the eye of the needle with that pass for Blessing. Vidyasagar with a shot. is an injury for Benel Chatsa early in the start of this half, coming together with one of the players, Meitei Pari players. It looks like he has injured his knee and he has asked to be substituted right away. He is replaced by Chandra Singh Sareo. It's a shame that a young defender cannot continue anymore. Meitei. Out for a goal kick for Tangkhul. Jansa playing right back, a traditional centre back. Yes, you have to make a few sacrifices for this kind of games. Ninglumshang from left back, slotting into midfield, finds Jansa. Jansa will try to play it to Samson, but it's intercepted by Pridham on the left flank. Pridham with the ball again. Pridham for Ngosanga. Ngong has also come on, which I have missed. So it looks like Ngong has come on for Regan, and Toiba has taken the place of Regan, and Ngong has slotted into midfield. Blessing now, Blessing with a shot, fires it across the far post. There's a good chance for the youngster, but in the end he can only track his shot wide of the far post. Good attacking intent from the Tangkhul side in the second half. Same as we saw it in the first half. It's the Tangkhul team that are having the lion's share of possession in this game. Salman Ranjan. It's a disappointing kick. It's straight at Samson. Samson plays it all the way back to Leshibla. The Crown looking to work against the Tangkhul team, but Leshibla came out from his line at the right time to clear the danger. Sandeep with a nonsensical, no-nonsense clearance. Bum. Ninglumshang. Shang to Blessing. Blessing plays the dummy against Toiba. Blessing tried to hit the cross, but missed the ball completely. But he has come away with the throw-in. Ninglumshang to Yang So. Yang So plays it back to Apam. Apam is being charged down by Jackie Chan, and Apam plays it to Blessing, but the young winger had straight, a little offside. To Mayan Singh plays it out wide to Samson, but Jansa lost the ball. Meitei Pari now back with possession. Sandeep in the middle of the fence, looking long for Vidyashagar, intercepted by Samson. Now it's Tot Myung goes past a few Pari players. Ranjan in the end comes away with the ball. Chickson now back to Pridham. Pridham to Chickson. Chickson also enjoyed Stella campaign with Kaya passes. Teammate with Homopon, of course, disappointingly lost out to Hyderabad in that penalty shootout in the ISL final. Ranjan. Good clearance from Saril. Ningrum Shah. Toiba now with Odisha FC having progressed through the ranks of Minerva Punjab, won the Hero Elite League in 2019 with Minerva. He was teammates with Phanupam then. Both players have gone on to make themselves big names in the Indian football scene. Sandeep, also a teammate of Phanupam, finds Nintoy running through and goal. It's a good clearance, save from Leshipon, and in the end cleared very well by Sarel. Sormi now on the counter. Sormi charging down Ranjan Singh, but Ranjan with all the space and the time, checking the ball a little bit. Points into midfield, intercepted by Apom. Now Blessing finds Yamaso. That's a good ball for Samson. In the end, well intercepted by Pritam Soraisen. Romario, among the Meitei Pari ISL players playing at the moment, Romario is the only player who does not play in the ISL. He of course plays for Army Twin. They are a team that plays in the domestic cups like Turan, IFA Shield and the likes. Toiba. Sormi has all the pace in the world and is using that pace very well. Totnyung has Samson on the far side, but instead plays it to the onrushing Jihansa with a zinked ball into Totnyung. Totnyung was charged at the back by Toiba. The referee let the play continue, and now Yasir will try to come over with the ball. He was looking for a foul there, but no whistle from the referee there as well. Nayan Singh intercepted. No, looking for Bidya Shagar. Bidya Shagar was the top Indian goal scorer last season. The season before, 2020-21 season with Trau. He moved on to Bengaluru after his impressive campaign, and that is an impressive save by Leshipon, the Tangkhul goalkeeper. Risky back pass from Ningrum Shah. This players, the nerves that they have, the calmness that they have under this kind of pressure. Apam to Ningrum Shah. Ningrum Shah to Apam. It's intercepted by Chickson. Chickson finds Bidya, but Sario takes the ball away from Bidya. Check in now. Bidya has all the space on the left flank. He could have taken that shot after taking an extra touch, but a little bit hurried because of the pressure from one of the Tangkhul defenders, and in the end he scruffed his shot well wide of the near post. Good turn from Sormi. Sormi still with the ball. Sormi plays it out wide for Blessing. Blessing judged the bounce of the ball a little wrong. He plays it back to Yamaso. Yamaso tried to put a cross in. Couldn't get it past his first man. Apam now. Blessing. Disappointing cross in the end. Yasir with Angao out wide on the left flank for Pritam, but Pritam cannot get the ball in. Jackie Chan. It's a beautiful ball down on the left flank for Yasir. Yasir finds Vidyashagar. Vidyashagar plays it back to Yasir. Yasir takes on his defender, and it was a dangerous ball that was cleared by Sareo. Corner for Meitei Pari. Jackie Chan, of course, one of the senior most players in the Meitei Pari team, and has played for Goa, now currently playing at East Bengal, made his name for himself with Wahingdo, and Wahingdo were in the I-League back in the early 2010s. A shot at goal from one of the Meitei Pari players, and it's well collected by Leshipam. Leshipam has played for Hindustan FC and is currently with Nisu from Manipur. Romario. Good clearance from Jansa. Jansa, player of the Classic Football Academy, one of the elite team players. Samson to Mensing. Now with Yang Muso again. Yang Muso goes past Chickson, finds Totnayung. Yang Muso. Totnayung was looking for a run of pressing, but Toiba with a very good interception and a good clearance. Samson on the far side to take the throw-in. He is also one of the players at Classic Football Academy. Had a stellar campaign for Classic in the futsal tournament that was held at New Delhi last year. Has also been a constant fixture for the Classic Football Academy side in any tournaments they play. Talismanic midfielder, can also play on the right flank and also as a striker. Very versatile. Now Totnayung to Samson. Samson is looking for the run of Apom, but has misplaced his pass, and Checky now with acres of space and options to choose from. And then he's looking for Vidyashagar. Vidyashagar cannot take the ball in his stride, and in the end it goes out for a goal kick for the Tangkhul players. Totnayung for Apam. Now with Yang Muso. Yang Muso for Blessing. Blessing to Apam. Apam to Ningum Shang. Ningum Shang does very well to kick the ball in. But Yasir will lead the attack for Meitei Pari here. Yasir. It's a good ball for Vidyashagar, but Vidyashagar had straight offside. Got beat the offside trap from the Tangkhul players there. So a few players in the Tangkhul team that are playing for Yakok United FC in the State League, Manipur State League. Yakok, of course, the only team from the full district to play in the Manipur State League. We have Yang Muso, jersey number 11, Blessing, jersey number 7. So 5 more changes for the Tangkhul players in the offing, and it looks like both Ungayam and Hormibam will be introduced back into the fold again. And Meitei Pari ISL team has also made a change. Pritam has come off and Amarjit Kiam has come on. Amarjit, of course, as we've mentioned before, the skipper of the under-17 Indian team during the under-17 World Cup that was held in India in 2018. Currently playing for FC Goa. He was on loan at East Bengal, I think, for this season. Back with his parent team now. Thoiba will take the throw-in for Meitei Pari's side. And Samson has also been withdrawn. Nimrio Mushangwe has come on. Chickson back to Thoiba. Thoiba looking for Yashir. Yashir concedes the throw-in. Nchangam. Here's Yashir now. Yashir tried to maneuver a bit of space and get the ball on his magical left foot, but could not get the space that he was looking for and cannot get the shot away in the end because of that. Sandeep. Now Muchonho. Out wide for Blessing. Will he take the shot? Has found Totneyum. It's a well-worked goal by the Tangkhul players, and it's Totneyum who gives Tangkhul players the lead. Intricate passing from the Tangkhul players. Of course, it all started with a mistake from Sandeep, and Apom found Muchonho. Muchonho played it out wide for Blessing, and Blessing with a low cross into the box that was collected calmly and slotted into the back of the net from 5 yards out by Totneyum, an upcoming midfielder currently playing with United Brothers in the Amfa Cup. What a crop of talent that we have got here. Now Ramsempang. Tangkhul players looking to go on the attack straight away, even after scoring. Thoiba. Back to Chickson. Chickson looks long and wide for the run of Imran. In the end, well defended by the Tangkhul team. Ungyam now to Apam. Blessing is outmuscled by Yashir. Yashir has 3 Tangkhul players to contend with, but he comes out expertly from there, but his pass is intercepted very well by Nimrio. Apam now. They play it back to Ungyam. Ungyam plays it up front, clears it further up front. Angao to Salman Ranjan. Ranjan out wide for Thoiba. Thoiba to Chickson. Bidya. Both Bidya Shagar and Yasir had straight offsides. Yashir left the ball. Bidya took the chance, but the linesman was on cue to raise his flag. Changman. Ungyam to Harmipam. Harmipam back to Ungyam. Ungyam out for Totneyum, scorer of the second goal for the Tangkhul side. Now it's Apam. Apam finds Blessing, but the keeper Romario will get there ahead of the winger who created the second goal for the Tangkhul side. Ninglum Chang was playing left back, now he has gone on the right flank of the defense after both Ungyam and Pampum came on. And in his place at the left back slot is Nichangan. The player is also playing with Yakok United FC in the Manipur State League. Ninglum Chang. Nimrio. Nimrio was with Kokulam Kerala. Nimrio again. A little intricate 1-2. Blessing again. Will he be able to create another goal? Blessing with time. Blessing finds Nimrio. Nimrio tried to turn and shoot, but Sandeep with some good defending comes away with the ball. Now Cheki. Cheki. Out wide for Imran. Back to Cheki. Cheki. Beautiful skill there, but the pass let him down. But Chickson will lay it out for him. Now Nimrio plays it back to Ramsempum. Ramsempum all the way back to Apam. Apam, jersey number 3, the skipper for the Tangkhul team at the moment. Is also a traditional centre back. He has played for Trau, Mohun Bagan and the likes. So many great clubs, such great experience, and today he is playing in the middle of the park, orchestrating the play for the Tangkhul team. John Horace brought down by Sandeep, and free kick was taken quickly by Ong Yong. Disappointing one in the end, well defended by Imran. Imran, who strides forward and looks for the run of Vidyashagar, a little bit too much on his pass. So Ninglum Shang has also come off and is replaced by Sareo. Shang Racing Sareo. Tognyung. Tognyung finds Blessing. Blessing to Apam. Apam takes his time on the ball. Acres of space for Nimrio to run into, but does not have the legs, and Imran gets in front of the Tangkhul midfielder. Imran back to Amarjit. Amarjit also midfielder playing at left back at the moment. Hamipam. Hamipam to Apam. Apam plays it back to Hamipam. Hamipam under pressure from Vidyasagar. Plays it back to Leshipam. Leshipam out wide for Ongyam. And that's very well played out of the back from the Tangkhul players. Here's Mchangam. Mchangam will win a throw-in off Toiba. The young players so far has been unfazed by the experience they are coming up against. And there's Blessing once again. But Blessing at straight offside. The assistant flag on the far corner. Toiba. Salman Ranjan with the books of Chennai. Played some of his best football for East Bengal and was part of the Indian national team setup. Sandeep looking long, intercepted by Jangam. Chickson with his long limbs steals the ball away from Apam, and Jackie Chan now. Jackie Chan full of running. Jackie Chan. Jangam does very well to close down the run of Jackie Chan, and Totmyung will emerge with the ball again. Totmyung, how calm is he on the ball? The youngster just takes his time and picks his pass very, very well. No pressure, as cool as you like it from the youngster. Apam now. Apam, it's a bit of a missed pass from Apam. Vidyashagar will take the shot. It's a bit of a wild one. Put his laces to that shot. Not the Vidyashagar that we saw in the I-League a few seasons ago. Vidyashagar now. That's another disappointing shot from the striker. I think his confidence is at least understandable given that he only got 9 minutes, I think, in the ISL this season with Bengaluru. There's hope that he will get more minutes with the ISL outfits in the seasons to come. And he has missed a few good chances in this match this evening. Imran plays it back to Amarjit. Amarjit to Ranjan. Ranjan plays it long for Jackie, but Hamipam rose the highest to clear the ball away. Apam now looking for the run of Ramsempum. Ramsempum has the run on Salman Ranjan. But the ball had straight out of play. Amarjit. It's gone a bit tepid in this last 15 minutes. A string of changes, of course, spoiling the tempo of the game a little bit, but still not a game of football we've witnessed so far. And hopefully for the last 15 or so minutes that we've got left, the tempo of the match will pick up again. That's the hope of everyone in the ground at the moment. Hornipum finds Apam. Apam will play it back to Hornipum. Hornipum now with Sareo. Sareo for Nimrio. Nimrio played the ball a little too early for Apam. Oh, it's a good steal from Tokmyung. Now Blessing, with all the pace that he has, can exploit the stretched defense of Meitei Pari. It's a shot from John Hoare. Oh, it's well blocked by one of the defenders. And Sareo, on the other hand, has to give away a throw-in. Imran. Cheki. Back to Imran. Cheki again. Cheki to Chickson. Chickson didn't get the purchase on the ball that he was looking for. Ishipam instead of trying to wrist it, plays it safe and kicks the ball out for a throw-in. No worries for him whatever, as the Tangkhul players win the ball back. Hormipam to Nimrio, back to Sareo. Hormipam has straight upfield quite a few times from his centre-back position. Shows the confidence that the young player has, who recently made his debut for the Indian international team as well, Indian national football team as well, in that friendly against Belarus. Totkyung turns beautifully under pressure from Chickson. Now Nimrio finds Apam. Apam does well to take the ball away from the Meitei player. Now Ramsempam. Ramsempam is closed down by Sandeep, but the Tangkhul players will come again. Tokmyung, what a game he's had. Tokmyung goes straight for goal. It's a good shot. It's straight at the goalkeeper. Vidyashagar, this is something that they would have experience in training over and over again at Bengaluru. Both players at Bengaluru have said it's a good flick from Cheki, but the offside flag comes up against Vidya, who has straight offside again. But ingenious play from Cheki with the outside of his foot, finding Vidya. Disappointing that Vidya had straight offside. Totmyung now. Totmyung loses the ball. Angao. Angao to Chickson. Chickson to Cheki. Cheki now finds Seatsen. Seatsen. It's blocked by Hormipum. Ramsempam now on the right flank. Ramsempam finds John Hoare. John Hoare. John Hoare waiting for support. Plays it back to Ramsempam again. Nimrio now. Nimrio has found Totmyung. Totmyung. Disappointing ball in the end from the young midfielder. Intercepted by Toiba. Jangam. Totmyung again. Apam. Apam. It's a beautiful ball for Blessing, but the sloggy mud pitch stopped the ball from going straight See Blessing. Followed his run a little bit, but Blessing will win the ball back. Blessing now. Blessing to Tot Ngeum. Tot Ngeum under pressure from Seatsen. Tot Ngeum emerges with the ball. Tot Ngeum finds John Hoare. Nimrio with a shot. Intercepted by Sandeep and collected by Romario. Feels a bit like the Meitei ISL players cannot get out of second gear at the moment, while the Tangkhul players are shifting between second and third gear. Checky has been one of the most lively player for the Meitei side so far. A few good passes and a few good flicks. Chickson. Imran charged down by Hormipum. Now Tot Ngeum again, the midfield general for the Tangkhul side at the moment. Blessing tallied on the ball a little bit, took the shot on in the end himself, and John Hoare is a little bit disappointed that it was not played in by the youngster. But you can't blame the youngster because the space had opened up for him, and with no one charging him down, he took the chance from 20-25 yards out. Disappointing shot in the end, but he will get more chances. Yasir has come on for Imran, and Tot Ngeum has been replaced by Sowami. Sario finds Sowami. Sowami, as it was in the first half, gets into the thick of action right after coming on. He played some beautiful passes in the first half, controlled the tempo of the game with his passing in the middle of the park, and he will look to assert the same kind of authority in the closing stages again. Blessing has played in Nimrio. Nimrio will take the shot on Nimrio. It's a good shot, and in the end it's saved by Romario. It's a corner kick for the Tangkhul side, and it is Sowami again. Who else but Sowami to take the corner for the Tangkhul team now? Hormipum and Ongyam has straight into the box. Hormipum! Ongyam! Blessing took a little too long to play his ball, and the Barclays, it's a foul by Muchangam, but it was a good delivery from Sowami on that corner. Hormipum almost had a free header. Oh, my apologies. Ongyam almost had a free header at the back post. Didn't connect. And then in the end it fell for Blessing, who took a little too much time on the ball. It's a good ball by Chickson. Out wide for Amarjit. Amarjit has strayed a long way forward from his left back slot. Checky now. Checky puts the ball in. And it is harmlessly in the hands of Leshipum. Hormipum. Sowami. Ranjan. Amarjit to Bidya Shagar. Now with Chickson to Bidya Shagar again. Chickson coming up from his defensive midfield slot to influence the game a little bit more, but I think it is the condition of the ground that is hampering the performance of the Meitei players a little bit here. Yashir now. Yashir, it's quick turn of pace and goes past 4 or 5 players as if they're not there. Yashir, in the end it's a disappointing cross. He's looking for the run of Sayatsen, but Leshipum coming off his lines expertly took the ball away from the path of the Meitei player. Leshipum has made a few good saves in the second half, has been called upon a few times, and he has stood up to the task every time he's been called upon. Ranjan had it all the way back by Remsempum, and the defender expertly wins a goal kick off the winger. Sandeep. Ngiam finds Michonhor has time. Now Salami for Blessing on the left flank again. Blessing lays it back for Apam. Apam out wide again for Muchangam to Nimiro. It's a tame header straight at the goalkeeper. Not the purchase that he was looking for, but the cross was a little weak and he was off his feet. So while you're jumping, it's very hard to get the power that you want on your header, and that was the case with Nimrio there. Got the direction right, but not enough power on that header. Hello to Chickson turns. Chickson to Checky. Apam concedes the throw-in. If you are tuning in just right now, we are in the second half, in the closing stages of the second half of this exhibition match between the Tangkhul players and Meitei Pari ISL players, brought to you by the Tangkhul Express through the crowd-funded initiative of Miss Nathingmi Shimsing and Mr. Austin Shimray, all avid Tangkhul football fans. So 2 minutes of time added on at the end of regulation time, and the Tangkhul players in red are leading this tie 2-1. But time to change that. Setsen sliced across the ball. It was a good chance on a half volley, but instead of hitting it with the laces, he sliced across that chance and went out harmlessly off the near post. Toiba to Yashir looked for Vidya, intercepted by Muchangam, but lost out again there in the middle of the park by Sawami. Checky! It's a good shot at goal. But straight at Leishipam once again. One of the few good chances that the Meitei side have been able to engineer. In the end, it was straight at Leishipam. Intercepted by Toiba. Apam for Harmipam striding forward with the ball, intercepted by Salman Ranjan, but the referee has brought back play for some pulling and tucking there on Harmipam by Chickson. Over 30 seconds of the time added on. No, we have played 2 minutes of the time added on, and that is it. That is the end of the match. It is Tangkhul players 2, Meitei Pari ISL players 1. At the end of this exciting, enthralling, scintillating exhibition football match organized by the Tangkhul Football Players Association in aid of the TFPA Award Nights. The goals were scored by Seatsin Singh, Chot Myung and Resangmi Kotang. The Meitei players opened the scoring through Seatsin Singh, but the Tangkhul players rallied back and in front of the home crowd have come away with a 2-1 victory. This is it from me, and until next time, goodbye.
Rada kaya tamili igda chungmaida igda matchi chungmaida organize sakbai sabrup se ji itum Tangkhul now sai corally hamji phun ngai dale Next Bolivar.
यार चलो रोशन लगी ब्रो आंदा
And once again, on behalf of the Tangkhul Football Players Association, we'd like to thank the players, the Meitei Pari ISL team, and friends from Nepal. Thank you so much.